So what I thought is, with the recent heightened earthquake risk, we should probably see how prepared we are if anything was to happen. So what I'm going to do today is go through my emergency kit, see what I need to get and what I do have. So I'll just let you know briefly what's in my disaster kit, and we can figure out what I'm missing, and you can leave your thoughts below. So first up, I've got a couple of portable chargers here. One of them is a solar powered one, so if the power's ever cut off, we've still got a way to charge our phones. Heavy duty gloves in case we need to help out with rescue efforts at all. Thirdly, we have our 10-year shelf life water, which is always important to have, especially with these new alerts that have gone out. Water seems to be sold out everywhere, so I'm so grateful that we already have this. We've got our touch lamp lights. There we go, didn't want to wear it for a while. It goes super bright. It'll turn off. And we have extra batteries for that as well down here. N95 masks, and that's more in case, say, Mount Fuji was to go off and we were trapped in a cloud of ash. So that's just why we've got those. Portable fans. It's summer here. It is so damn hot and sticky. I don't know how we would survive without the aircon going, so always need our portable fans. We have whistles in case we get trapped anywhere. We have mini blankets just in case. We wouldn't need it at this time of the year, but you know, it's good to have in the kit regardless. What I really wanted to get for helmets was collapsible foldable helmets, but these were the only ones that were left available when I went looking for them. They look like caps, but they are actual helmets, and they're supposed to be like as good as fireman's helmets, so you know, there's something for me and my husband anyway. And lastly, we've got the first aid kit, and inside that, probably one of the most important things that you should have no matter what: cash. You should always have cash in your emergency kit. Some people forget to put that in, but you know, if the electricity was to go down, cash is king, and it would be the only way that you'd be able to purchase supplies from nearby convenience stores or anything like that. So always have at least a couple $100s worth of cash to get you through a couple of weeks. That's my emergency kit so far. I feel like I am totally missing stuff. If you have any ideas, let me know below, because I would like to get as prepared as possible. Even if the big Nankai Trough earthquake doesn't happen within this next week, it is expected to happen within the next 30 years, so I want to get our kit fully prepared for whenever that happens. Aside from having lots of water available, we've got tons of juice, we've got tons of non-perishable food as well. We're always prepared in that sense. We'd probably even be able to help out neighbours as well if anything happened. So yeah, food, water, all of the supplies, and having an emergency evacuation plan as well, very important. Oh, and I forgot to mention, another really handy thing to have is the Japan Shelter app installed on your phone. What that does is it will guide you to any nearby evacuation points or shelters or hospitals or anything that you might need in a disaster. It also offers up-to-date information and alerts on anything in the area or anything to be aware of. So yeah, get that app. It's so useful. It takes up hardly any room, and there's a translate button as well, so if you don't speak Japanese, it's perfectly fine.